Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to see you again, and if this is your first time on my channel, I encourage you to check out the rest of the videos I have in my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So today I'll be showing you how to make this very cute pouch. um, it's very simple. I think I have been showing you how to make pouches in other videos as well. This one is made out of scrap material as well. So I made the reindeer with a scrap fabric. So you can easily make that. It doesn't take time and it's very easy and it will be great Christmas gift. So without any further ado, let's get started. I draw the reindeer and I have the drawing attached in the description below. Feel free to print it out and trace it. This is my fusible web I'm using for this project, and the fabric I'm using, you can be creative, pick whatever colors you would like. So what you need to do is you trace your reindeer on your fusible web, and then you iron it to each piece and on each fabric color you would like I'm showing you in the next step. Once that is done, now we put our reindeer all together and put it on the pouch. So I cut the pouch pieces. I cut one big rectangle. I'm gonna cut it into half later on, but just to ease the way. Once this is done, we place all the reindeer pieces on the top of my fabric, and then I'm going to iron on top of them. After ironing, I cut my big giant rectangle into two pieces to ease the pouch assembly. Now I have my zipper and my two zipper ends. I have all the pieces in the description below, the measurements. Now we are going to assemble our pouch. We add the two zipper ends and then we sew at the end, and then we face the right side together, the lining and the main fabric piece of the pouch. Once we're done with that, you should have a pouch look like that. And we're gonna repeat the same way for the other side. I forgot to add padding for my pouch, so I had to go quickly cut two pieces of padding to add it to my pouch. That's why it looks so sloppy when I cut them out. I know you will forgive me for that. So I add my two padding to my pouch, and now we are going to assemble our pouch, and we're gonna sew all around and leaving about 4 inches opening to be able to turn our pouch inside out. After you turn your pouch inside out, make sure all the corners are good and everything is sewed in place. Now we are going to close the lining, and here we have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like it you can share it as well. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.